Hey everyone, welcome to my art space. Today I'm sharing how I painted this whimsical bottle of ocean magic. First, I made a quick sketch just to plan out the whole painting. Then I started with watercolors. I began with the pink hibiscus flower in the bottom left corner because I wanted some bright color to set the mood. After that, I painted the soft flowing water waves to give it that beach feeling. Next, I added the little details that make it fun. I painted tiny starfishes, a few seashells, and the wooden cork on top of the bottle. Inside the bottle, I created a mini ocean with fish swimming around. Then I added more flowers and the rest of the starfishes around it. For the final touch, I used a ballpoint pen to add tiny dots and details everywhere. And that's how this little beach in a bottle came to life. Enjoy painting, no more talking.